Hello again. Before fully proceeding to Java object-oriented programming, in Java method, I'd like to add another class, lecture 14. And now, because you are familiar with methods, with Java methods, I will show you another exception type. I will call it throws exception. I will show you how to throw exception. Check main, click finish. Scenario. Rio. Developer. Wanna clean it. Developer wants to see it with errors or exceptions in the main method. I'll show you an example and lesson objective. Learn another exception learn comments learn another exception approach. So right now I will create another, let's say, static void error catch. No, error demo function. And I want to do something here to create an error. Copy paste. An error. Will be created. An error. Error occurred in this function. Okay. And here the easiest way to create an error. Let's say divide any number by 0. Let's say divide 5 divided by 0. All of this integer error number assignment because it's minus except of equal. Okay, so an error will be created here in this function. Let me see comments. In this method. Method and function is same thing. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be running. Okay, here I'm going to call this function. Okay, right now nothing is preventing it. Look what's gonna happen. an exception happened in this function. However, let's say I don't want this exception to handle in this function, and I want main method to proceed this exception. So here I'm going to add throws exception here, and you can see as soon as I added that this function error demo throws an exception, so in main method this function became optional, and I have two options here how this main method wants to proceed it. I'm throw a declaration, add throw declaration, or surround with try catch. Let me choose first one. Add throws declaration. See what's gonna be happening here. As soon as I choose first one. Throws exception. There is exception and there is throwable. I will choose exception for now. Let me check. Right now, an exception was proceeded in this function, in main method. Now, or I will clean it, and I will choose second method, surround with try catch here. So I'm trying my error function, and then I can catch an exception. I will remove it. Print stack trace. Let's execute it. Another execution. The error was caught. Or exception, sorry, double quote, exception was inside main method. Plus exception, we were talking get message. And the exception reason was here exception variable get cause. Clean it now. Run as Java application again. Here we go. Now I explain you extra exception handling when an error happens inside a function or method. An error happened inside a method. However, a developer decided that if in this method an exception gonna happen, so a developer wants to process it in the main function. See you in the next lecture.